Chicago virus beba na ode ehon sem no abetum anim enra meti ha na me ka asem bi na me ka se sa enamontu a ekoso ne anamontu a eye yura baben betu no e de hun sunsanso beba bebre na krata bi edamanimu a eye Professor Kwaku Aza ena atro na Professor Kwaku Aza atro a watro no pese me kenkan na or say this afternoon the speaker declared the seat of 4 MPs vacant, a move unprecedented in scope. The speaker based his decision on the fact that these MPs had filed nominations to run on a different ticket. However, at the time of the decision, none of the 4 MPs had informed the Speaker of Parliament or Parliament itself that they had changed their allegiance within the House. Filing a nomination to run as an independent or another party's ticket in a future election does not amount to severing an alliance with the current party in Parliament. Prior to their nomination filing, the House was balanced at 137-137-1, and it remained unchanged after the filings. This demonstrates that filing a nomination is merely an expression of intent for a future political cause and does not alter the MP's present affiliation, obligation, or duties. The MPs remain bound by the social contract formed when they were elected and continue to serve their current term under their mandate. Parliamentary allegiance is determined by an MP's actions and conduct during the current term, not by a future aspiration. Until an MP officially changes affiliation or resigns, their role and loyalty within Parliament remain unchanged, irrespective of any nomination they may file for a future electoral cycle. To interpret a future nomination as severance of present ties would be a misapplication of the law, confusing future plans with actions that have not yet been realized. Article 97(1)(g) and (h) of the Constitution are concerned with actions that affect the numerical composition of the House, aiming to avoid situations that disrupt the voters' verdict. If the electorate has voted for a balance of 137-137-1, MPs should not unilaterally disturb this balance, and those who attempt to change it during their term must vacate their seats. The underlying principle is to prevent midterm shifts in allegiance, ensuring stability in parliamentary representation. The law is not concerned with future intentions or electoral ambition that will only take effect in the next term, such as an MP running under a different platform in the next election. The timing of actions is critical here. The phrase joins a political party refers to an MP actively affiliating with another party during their current term in Parliament. It does not apply to future political affiliations that will take effect after the current term. If the law were extended to include any future action, such as running for a different party in the next election, it will unjustly limit MPs' ability to plan their political future, which goes beyond the law's intended purpose. The law's primary goal is to fix an MP's allegiance during the current parliamentary term, reflecting the mandate given by voters. Actions taken after the term, like joining a party for a future election, do not interfere with this mandate. The law serves to preserve the trust voters placed in the MP when they were elected based on the platform they represented at that time. Moreover, Article 97(1) reserves questions about the vacation of seats to the High Court, while matters like death, resignation, or dissolution do not present questions and are handled by the Speaker or clerk. Factual determinations such as discerning an MP's intention from the action are not within the Speaker's purview. This ruling set a dangerous precedent, undermining MPs' ability to plan their political futures without fear or immediate consequences. It allows the arbitrary decisions where filing a nomination for a future election could be misinterpreted as a shift in allegiance, regardless of the MP's current conduct. This broad interpretation risks destabilizing Parliament by prematurely vacating seats, disrupting voter established balances, and eroding the principle that MPs serve their full term unless they explicitly change allegiance. It could also create a chilling effect, deterring MPs from exploring future political opportunities. Additionally, this ruling contradicts the fundamental right to freedom of association, including the right to join parties and pursue a future political affiliation. Treating a nomination for a future election as severance of current allegiance unfairly penalizes MPs and discourages political participation and realignment. This undermines political pluralism and erodes key democratic principles. Finally, the ruling is also problematic because Article 1126 states that a by-election shall not be held within 3 months before a general election. Vacating seats so close to an election is an affront to this provision, creating unnecessary disruption and leaving constituencies without representation during a critical period. It undermines the intent of the Constitution to maintain stability and continuity in Parliament as the country prepares for national election. His name is Professor Azar. Enra, Yora Babin, Etna Jem say. Minority Edicata Betuna Nim Invoku, Article 97 GH. One also so say MPs not a file on nomination. Ebi as independent me and sana bako ka on 9 untino. One more abu parliament in Raso. Yemshan Semni say, Uche Professor Azar or say, sad decision on mutekino, it can only affect a foreseeable parliament. Sambre we no. Omo representing omo nkrofo. And a 4-year term nso ya utimi ka se obi akofile nomination as independent or forfeiting the seat. 1. Saudi pano informal speaker and on side informal parliament say was shifting position. Now allegiance is no more with the party. And a current parliament no wasem. It's a nomination of filing no. Professor Azasu Obusa say, for elections, current na say future. Say future there, when you speaker. Why do you take a decision for a future parliament when you are not the speaker? 2, or say basa undermining freedom of association. And a MPB or no office any party muano. Na chimbi obeso okodon party bi. Then to oko election office a party na no hana. On to me nye. Enti ema ono so MP no anxiety a only to me obetime to sana mo wasasu ka bio say political party na was otimi de krata akoma MP ni say we bitire yen enti babin no eni the purview say ono na be interpret intent and purpose of an MP. One day we say why interpret what to sana mo no. Majority say omo a boycott to parliament. They will not go to parliament again until Supreme Court ever take a decision. And majority leader, Afenyo can say of file Rita. Now I was here say vo a year speaker. Okopie one more and speaker so catch and say, we are very much aware, say, Yanis Chief Justice Atwetwe Komama, Omunina de Akowi mu say, a Jordan Kwa, and I bet to myself, speaker now parliamentarian be a rich. I won't way away. I same way by up as a giddy, Echo Fahona Koye. Na, and now would ye a year Katie Hamonda. Was it Babi the Assembly ban or the Asama Banso? It's your name come as a major fear. Me Giddy say, majority, a year. Former minority. Yet, a year, Katiam.
Interpretation. Constitution didn't say, be a interpretation in the Supreme Court. Nakan Wansam. Yakasa, do we say no? The majority leader. When yet they crack in our Supreme Court. Man, time, Kakra. My woman Supreme Court Sam Kakra, no one decided to do it. Then I buy a beca was all you know. Aquatrana, you are after when this is for winning Wobono, click, my church on your mouth. Oh, we now, Karen, we are this morning. But I couldn't call Omu. What was I don't know. I got a photo about my majority. You have a them. You have a them with you. And I was say my own minority. What is that? Babin, the Assembly Mamuha, what did be about? I'm not getting
Standing orders.
President what I want to present on the Bia. Standing orders on one the ultimate interpreter. Constitution, no. Yes, say be a law, a constitution, that has about interpretation. A Supreme Court, Nakan on Nakanwa. What's say, I'll send the Obi changing now or to acquire independent. You say, just what for declare. Yang na lawyer phobia one agony. Etin na court in the constitution, Ashambra say, Sergeant said, is it about lawyer for baby, and say baby can or Mabicao, another foreign and get to a baron, a lawyer for Mokuma, Obia one agony. A visit there be, I don't guess I answer, or the Bakoro about parliament, I say, what na was say, parliament will say there are many problems, me MPP. Bakuna, maybe 12 Bana, maybe Bakuna about to December, by January 2025. I don't know about member MPP view, Mako independent, Nasma or Canada. Sab your constitution, yes, near Tias and say, and the year, my sorry, say, and no, and the year, my Jay MPP, my club has a many MPP want to have you before independent, independent side. Then constitution no bite. I don't know, yeah, Tias, I don't know. Where I was.
Okay. Ma, many year and the appear could be chuching como. Honorable me watching. Honorable, who to say? Okay. You ran the appear could be a lawyer Kunini. Na enra. Babi ako you oma fi omu position. Eti anopa minim so omo ya minority o so omo ya die yo. Ene omo ana be kire. Wadama enra asema you babi ni to adwai. Asem kese pa yenti one back some dase Ghana for akoto aba na say every before your majority me ba chose say out me nka
is breaking
Mr. Momo headline ma me why na you ran the appear could be so on temika fa kosi ni hwe say obeti no hanuma na bi we no you ran the utemenka. Hello, you're Randy. What's your name? Okay. The Busa say, Asama you're Babin the Atu J. Yanyan, yes, majority Muslim Boko to compim say Supreme Court Ebema ni interpretation. More can I say, Asam no Ghana for baby, I actually mukesene.
Sompa FM.
I am not surprised at the of the speaker. Now, I don't blame him also. Assembia was the genesis. The genesis of this particular matter because 2020 we were faced with a similar situation. At the time, no. Yeah, Professor Queen. Or you're Runia. That is very terrible and very inconsistent with law. Except that nobody challenged it. Some of us spoke against the position it took them. Lord, yes, law. Sompa. Who apply law wrongly, you need to enjoy.
Hello. Hello. Asante. Yabeba na ya to twen kodo. Na ya hye. Yewra asem ni nyina ko wie se. Nipa bebre wo mo adwenkyere wo adewe. Na emom ebi mu nsusu nyina aka se wote yewra Professor Azar go to article 1162 say we cannot hold by elections right after 6 months to elections. To mean two sanamo. It's yaka 2 months. Now, in Kronkroa MPs near constituency. Constituency are MPs near MPs no. Now they will not have representation for the next 2 months. It's the assembly senior we hear MP when they come home. What I say? And then the Professor Azar so say by what Babina no will deny those constituents a representation. The same thing and a sal for Hunu Amania in Fear 9, a Fayamo constituency day. At one of the greatest sin of the 8th parliament, denying the people of Sa a representation. But in 2 months to election, 4 constituencies have been denied representation. And Jacoba say, officer, Kotuaba, 2 months to election. What say MPs via vacant because Omo a declare. Right now the question is, that is an intent. Can Babin interpret an intent to mean say a severance with the party? Yet next elections, and a bachelor says, member of parliament on count mobile. Because you can go to the elections and lose. Asante Mamintio.
On my discussion, once I started very 2 months ago.
But don't forget, and now I'm penny your mama. Ebose. Or Kasai. I told you, sir, it will be an electoral message. Or say, the minority is now a majority. The BBA crowd say minority. I bear majority. Yeah, send your banner. But I told you a video now, Momo. Oh, belly your mama no. And when I'm time, I'm saying,
the minority has turned to the majority, and the majority has turned to the minority. So for me, God is even showing a sign of what is going to happen. Because even before we have cast one single ballot, the NDC has become the majority. The minority.
Okay, Asante.
On my media, I say, maybe 1-2 months ago, I'm going to say, Sir MP, I feel could just Santi, and you soon. Now, me bar a year more, since tomorrow, since I'm Mentiasie, because I wanted education on that. And then, truthfully, Parliament resume. This has been a controversy. How na resume initiative process? Kofa winning our bar. Constitution at this stage, the people will be called for constitutional interpretation. But on my day, but kind of the Supreme Court ruling becoming the established one. Would be a Juma. Said Azar, Professor Azar King. A business Professor Buchimusuna, Chomadrin, can somebody be former director, Ghana School of Law, Mr. Ansansari. Also, like I said, parliamentary ruling. Most standing orders that doesn't need interpretation for that matter. Parliament then home and same people no be.
Answer your no.
And they say no. On mine. Media meka say minority for no they say majority for no say they call Supreme Court for
and they are boycotting Parliament until interpretation, but they will never come.
Me can say I was say kwa say Monday no say several well let me say
omo file omo niema akodan Supreme Court and omo be serve speaker for an interlocutory injunction on the exercise and also no Monday FM uche Ketiamo. Also, Babi in the end is if I got transit or match or near Mamma no other kind.
Young train say Supreme Court, the Ben or Fra Seminole. Two, I say we or say a year and tentem. Now, a sigina. Because me, the minimo say from right now, can the minority or no, can the majority now go to parliament take decision?
They are going to sit there. What is, now? So is the now the majority that it is now? I hear NDC for them. They are not in government, so they will not present any government business. The almost to me,
and the normal cancer one. They're no more can say one.
Yeah, they make out as
yeah. Then not make can say, but say LIB without 2 forces. No more.
LIB 2 forces. On LPC nya so omo day. Omo agree. And 137 no. Yes, they will need a 2/3 majority to do it. They alone cannot form a quorum to do anything.
And then no the big can say no. Honorable Andrew Esiama. The positions are cover side say also over vacant.
It's no more say no mo kwadwuma so omo to aba.
Postpone almost sitting to Tuesday. No betimi. So phone betimi nominate obi. Ya to aba man as second deputy speaker of parliament.
And you say no. These are the processes about all these things. Say committees, various committees in parliament in so on be reconvene and I say on be such committees in so such
no, but the way it is now, if majority is NDC, it means now that almost all the committees will have to change.
Committees in
2 months way. Ghana, do we need this? Yaw. Afena a select committee on this. Afena mo kwa reconstitute. Sadia no kwetimi take 4 months to 5 months and sign on my parliament. Yeah, October December. What is the meaning of this?
Sorry. November
parliament is sorry.
Sorry.
November.
Why do we bring such a lacuna to ourselves?
November but say sign a constitution say sign a constitution constitution.
No, but constitution in kind.
And cancer sign orders in the casa. Let's sign a parliament in a juma. That is the only idea about Oman for say democracy is very expensive, and these are the science.
As I tell you, me Masem say
right now, no
Masem say the constitution, laws. We deal with the spirit and what the letter. Common sense is also applicable. And you know, at times you are okay 2013 election petition. The judges applied conscience and common sense, looking at the tension and the political temperature. Sambrano now my penny John Mama koyi ni ministers DCC ase. Oba be catch there say Akufuado Abano wonwi na bibi na si yenti yen san kona almost 1 year yen twa bibia na same. Nobody will do that. Anything that made me feel say common sense should have played a role here more.
And the Supreme Court common sense be adwuma. Parliament there they are doing ade bia wo yen, and you should know the genesis babbing or babay speaker. The politics, they say parliament no one. Omo policy omo yo no. Omo I know they quite change.
So in the end, you know, next 2 months this parliament will end. Has Babin helped or not?
Oh, for now,
certain decisions of Babin. It could have, everybody was expecting Babin to rule. Say, Sompa. Why are they?
Why absent?
Already 3 hours.
And then I'm saying, but
I don't know where they are.
That is what Babin is doing. And who is a politics? And people in DC. Because once and I just put in another letter call. As I did in the ministerial position, putting some. Now they are
so glaring.
There can is a Babin because a man absent. Why, yeah, the number of days in parliament vacant. Okay. One fee.
Now a Monday will be I invoke Adia. Now Thursday.
A policy of me in parliament
within 2 days. What to me? Abetrasi I really.
Policy of me in parliament. On my change the own is how. Intermediate.
Dear Koye. Although my chichi your money to
LI 2462 Ghana for generation ni mu say eno ne ade o se nkomo ye won de o ba koye
na Ghana for expect
oh ba yi dia atuja majority leader ayi dia
Sompa na be ole ye no who be say nkomo timi tra onya adwuma no e dey asem na kana asante by their procedures they could have done it with a certificate of agency with a certificate of agency asante me say with a certificate of agency omutimi po anajo 12 e pass e bill
me I don't come back me ka say you let
the Ghana for here anyway
lawyer na dey koy no wan kwanko ka say that letter of event say president say and manim ya see a process somebody koy no some process on fa so dey free o sana me no
tin am person dey catch us the here Ghana for nye ya to abawie ye call 2 months election obi abaya majority obi abaya minority unim niema also mo fam now ato forcing ever kotra as majority leader na emra da honoma say parliamentary select committees ni nyina ye will be honoma wo say a shifty na NPP for your minority no omo be chairperson na NDC for your chairperson ade we Ghana ye dey
but akonta ade ba ko so me dey imagine who you say ye blame babi na nye you NPP for no an no munko blame omo sabre na
ya mai kokoi ekodi party samachi
na onimsa ade na oye ne etiamra enye but that time by kokoi sanse na MPP adidi niti abro so no opam papa no rewo free parliament so no
sana kan say babi so beka say NDC adidi niti
na say babi NDC
babi state say near me predecessor your friend say
but so why am fonso na so your fonso but say president me point no say emra no
if a president is set na ebeyemra obi a person this have do no what sano only person yet by a president
yes a president
and nothing a Supreme Court na way obetima kire say the Michael Kwe here no what for me nobody contested it because it was in favor of MPP and na omutia omo a dia omutia ye no omutia ho ka
aba ye de botachi ne de aboba and MPP musu no that time Michael Kwe MPP awura ni mu a wo candidate cha na nche no na da me tise papa na kasa babe na de no oba be ye no
enya wo na
okoye ye no oye bi wo na odi ka twa
sa Michael Kwe tu sa na mo na kaba be benya kokodu konya
ejira ma baben kan enra sa Michael Kwe nsuni ne ba na obedi akiri no na kota omo ka ayi formula MPD no say nkoma pan de dada wo because omo pan de dada o parliament as an independent candidate who dey only case formula MP no only case na who said be contest bi wa about for MPP for sponsor no MPP sponsorship who be gina ade e de beto ho MPP colors
na yawe eno no eka this 8 parliament one answer
entina me ka say eyesa ye twa to eyesa mo say my be a friend say why you say ni mu di bi ye no why you say no mu di bi ye no
why you say ni ye why you say ni de ne say why you say ni trokoma speaker say free NDC eko MPP watro
mo any declare seat
and on na ema ye declare seat no we no
na it was incumbent on that particular
in the interim sesia no kase why free party we ma ko party we but no as an independent no
parliamentary hands are so catch enra say ne ba ben kai no say John Boadu throw letter bre my Kwe say one from na MP free
yawe what's my okay John Boadu de ne de any formula de ne de we are right oh
yes
I'm not disputing you me myself say Osha MPs na aka no a omo bia informal parliament say omo defective omo bia en signal ana the party so me yi ni free ho enti na o say ka from na MP and omo ni deal on this issue ukofa Christian Cynthia Morrison ba Cynthia Morrison party natural characters will betray
my by no almost say
party no so mra party no mo MPP ni NDC for no mo mra say oko independent automatically
no a determination a law and it takes effect with Supreme Court.
Party
Supreme Court.
No, what I'm saying is party nimra party nimra
it's Precedent Parliament.
Parliament party nimra so there was no quotation from Babinra saying because of this and that.
Yes, but Precedent down now my koko edi adwuma one speakers omo dey adwuma nyina based on parties no mo amomra eda ho say obi ko independent automatically membership.
Parties nimra no does not come there. Ushe why you say ni dia otrokoi. Esiama de party troko mano.
Yes.
Say Oma yedi. Enti na oni lokuso betra parliament.
Oma mpanifo ni bi say enye mpempi na na say party twiro. Wa otimi kra citizen na ko otimi kasi wo free party ni mtino. Yempam free parliament.
Na me ba na troko say. Why citizen na that citizen. He should be an integral part of the party.
Where is he?
NDC MP dear only.
The
Constitution never said any Ghanaian can write to Parliament. The Constitution says a member of the party obi or what interest our party ni ho. Says any panel free party ni mo or no. Eba ya omode Joanna wan call court. Kujo call court. Go and find out one more omode call court no. They are NDC people. Uche dem chiro no. Sesa na ye no a me tima tro krata koma a speaker. Say MPP ni bi. I have no look me MPP ni crowd. No ma trust say the subani ni ye nti no. Wo betray party to party ni mpamo no. No. Tie me ye. E wo say nipa no. Oye an interest person say about MPP moa or no. He is a person of a party with good standing now. Or yeah, MPP ni Babin Harun Adrisu obetima try the party there.
But
you present me.
You represent me. I need not to be an MPP.
If I represent you, if I represent you on the constituency ni be na actual krata dia kosa Cynthia Morrison. What deep or betray woman.
Akuta constituency ni actual comma court to say Cynthia Morrison as independent candidate for
the next election. And untino more man kwai Joan for the next election. Akuta court no more money kwai and for this current parliament.
For this current parliament who ko semra ma ye be ye adwuma next almost adwuma 1 year
about the best of say Yahweh parliament we sesia ya to about 137 okay constituency be no mo se o mo MP o mo mpani bio party ni so atwe mo se o mo mpani bio e dia come speaker why
MPB any one of my constituency.
Yes, it said sadly panel our future intent. Should the future intent construe say what was
now. I'm
not looking at that. I am only applying my
Dachi. Say, I deal with Jacob as about the latter part. Think about January. About January and
say, Sa MP na Cynthia Morrison. No, come na sebe je fie. Na say ye shemra. Na ono the party say our intent to be independent for the next parliament. Not this current parliament. Na numu asem no enye adwuma na. He is representing his people. Over 2 months to finish. Has the party. Yes, sister will be Trokrata. And I need automatically. So Okaso ko independent. For 50. What free party? 2 years.
MPP.
Mebo. Parliament should be officially informed whether constitution no see A, B or C.
It is brought to the attention of Parliament. The everything know about the Parliament.
Where was it brought to the attention? Through a letter, no.
What's your letter? What speaker anymore? What's your letter speaker?
I don't catch a speaker. What's in the platform? I don't address you. Is he a party to MPP or NDC?
Why is still going in Parliament now? This is in back to
a former majority leader.
It doesn't come They say, I don't address you. NDC, they are not trying. Or you're right because he is an NDC member.
It doesn't take a party member to notify Parliament too. It checks even a foreigner.
Interpretation.
But the moment I try the Supreme Court. On that day,
but no.
Okay, spirit and letter B. Supreme Court so dare not.
Supreme Court. Supreme Court. They do it without fear or favor. Now they wouldn't have no money. Voting. Babin can some cassette Supreme Court. Supreme Court ruled say it was wrong. It is not there not to be.
The relationship between
it doesn't change anything. Yes. So in the spirit and letter, no. If Supreme Court deems it say, Babin I am from Swa. Omunka say, Babin I say Babin I am no cry. They will uphold Babin's decision. Supreme Court has they've had precedents they have all counsel. They went for a judicial review.
Supreme Court and I say say where so I'm a Supreme Court mind you, Supreme Court HR
Ricardo, Trasi, Supreme Court no interpretation in as much as Parliament, they have their own laws. No, they are subject to the interpretation when it comes to the laws of this country.
Standing orders.
The standing orders does not take it from me. Override the decision of Supreme Court. Yes, so some Supreme Court the preserve of the interpretation of our constitution is for Supreme Court. It's the Parliament Semra. Now we feel Semra no etia. The Supreme Court to take a decision. Constitution it is final. We have allowed that we are making Parliament a 10 God.
The powers of Parliament Supreme Court should be the same.
Constitution say when it comes to interpretation, it is the preserve of Parliament.
And but when it comes to law formulation, so Parliament
who formulated law now. Constitution not said you obey the spirit and letter no. Now that's a constitution. There is a constitution.
Yes, catch a constitution. They say you're not catch a constitution. No, said you're not trust here. What's the when you
go for constitutional review, and that's all. Because the umbrella channel no, I deal with your money. A bit more about Sababi, you're right. A bit more about Sababi, I am from Swamp.
In Precedent wise, there, we're right.
And I may say,
now,
Yamma Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, and yes, I deal with you. A bad precedent. Now, so Oman interpreting constitution.
Why the locals? Supreme Court. Standing orders in there and and the
standing orders was the issue of interpretation of the Supreme Court. I say will be a member. Now you speak to Atuaba, not Atuaba. He was a standing order.
Supreme Court.
Why you saying it? Because tell me,
Supreme Court.
So this one, I don't think so. Formula MP, MP, ni party. so ko yi be ma cho tie me why you say or trust say we free ho we party enjoy omo you su party ni mra say party ni say we free mo a does it meet the standard of the standing orders of parliament say party bi aye ne mra na party no entro krata mrewa omo an constitutional you nipa na di ntimusu mu gina so yema supreme court in this same way Ricardo me mo ache mo akwa
supreme court any omo wa asem kapa
enu dey jama supreme court maybe there me feel say we Michael Kwe and Babin they've set bad precedents, the two of them. I don't agree in any day. May the Supreme Court to say I'm wrong. Babin is right. You is right.
Obo me ho kade mako suku. Na mako suku awie. Na me baba so me papa me say me dem papa ebre
eno ntimi bua o. Say di pa no class 3. Na otua school fees. Na ka 1 month ama ya makwan papa no betima akotro krata akoma headmaster ne say me ba no munyi na di because mapono
na kuta no deck kura ye kwa akotro school
me ba school school eje papa no dabio school
papa ni timi tro kwasa
papa no
ntima mo repeat na
me da say makotro papa timi school no betra se right ye di promoter ye
Young, oh my dear Jenny said.
Thousands in Canada and a million watching around the world. Are you